Hi, I'm Byron Clymer. I'm Director of Sydney Drafting Concepts and Design. We've been in the industry now, I think, close to 32 years now. Mix of the design capabilities in the industry. Worked for big firms, doing high-rises, worked for commercial firms. In 2016, a few people asked me to do some private jobs on the side and really enjoyed it. And in 2017, late 2017, opened up Sydney Drafting Concepts. And then as we're growing, more phone calls, more people started asking advice and that. So we went from giving advice to getting jobs to controlling the full packages. In 2020, I took a lunch to rent an office, and now we've got a team of 9 people, including architects, building designers, draftees and interior designers. The core values and what drives us is basically transparency, honesty, communication and family. The service that we provide here at Sydney Drafting Concepts and Design is pretty much what I call a one-stop shop. From when you walk in our door, they buy a vacant block of land. What are the restrictions? What do we do? And then we go through a detailed design brief saying, for example, 2-story home, do you want a double garage? Do you want this? Do you want open plan living, 4-bedroom? So we do all that in front of the client. The client gets a copy of that design brief. So from that, we produce a floor plan. From that floor plan, we go back and forth with the client. And then as we grow the design, then we pretty much go from prelim design, and then we go full bulk where the restrictions are. So we get the structural engineer involved, we get the hydraulic engineer involved, we get the certifier involved, we get the water boarder involved. So we get all what is documented. And this is all talked to and explained to the client in the start of the process. So that very first meeting, all those processes are explained to the client. And then also what we dived into recently is interior and exterior design. So we've got floor plan details, we've got window schedules, we've got kitchen, wet area details. Everything detailed up so you can go to site and know what you're getting and what you're building to as well. It's not all about drawing. We can draw, we can knock up anything you want. The biggest thing is communication, telling the people what's involved, what is needed, and that it's basically holding their hand from start to finish. Our mission is your vision of a home to create memories of a lifetime.